Oatmeal contains soluble fiber, which reduces your low-density lipoprotein, LDL, cholesterol. LDL is considered the bad cholesterol. Here is why. LDL carries cholesterol to your arteries, where it may collect in the vessel walls and contribute to plaque formation, known as atherosclerosis. This can lead to decreased blood flow to the heart muscle, coronary artery disease, leg muscles, peripheral artery disease, or abrupt closure of an artery in the heart or brain, leading to a heart attack or stroke. Soluble fiber can reduce the absorption of cholesterol into your bloodstream. 5 to 10 grams or more of soluble fiber a day decreases your LDL cholesterol. One serving of a breakfast cereal with oatmeal or oat bran provides 3 to 4 grams of fiber. Now let's make our healthy breakfast with oats. What you need are 50 grams of whole grain rolled oats. Place the oats in a big microwavable bowl to stop the oats spilling over while cooking. 250 milliliters of unsweetened soy milk. 2 tablespoons of broken mixed nuts. 2 tablespoons of dried mixed fruit. Add soy milk to the oats. Cover and vent, then microwave on full power for 2 minutes. If you like our videos, please comment, share and subscribe. We appreciate your support. Stir and recover. Microwave for a further 1.5 to 2 minutes. Let's stand for 1 minute. Then add dried mixed fruit and mixed nuts before serving. Enjoy your healthy breakfast. Instead of dried fruit, you can try fresh sweet fruits like strawberries, bananas, apples and pears. These instructions are based on an 800 watts microwave oven. For lower wattage ovens, heating time should be increased. Thank you for watching. If you find our videos helpful, please don't forget to comment, share and subscribe to support our video channel. We always appreciate your support. Here are more videos for you.